Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be creating a Python script which compare a person movie interest and retain the similarities to the individual based on his movie collection. We shall be looking into that Python script. So let us write hash. This is what we are going to create. So the first thing that we need to do, let us create a function. Let us call it movie underscore interest. So in this function is where we are going to code the sets. So we're going to use the set concept. So a person might have interest 1 and interest 2. So now what we need to do, let us create our first set. Movie underscore set 1 is equals to, we're going to put a set function to make sure that the first interest is represented as a movie. So another movie collection, movie underscore set. Another movie collection, we're going to put it on set interest, on interest 2. Interest 2. So we are having two sets now of movies because we need to collect the interest of this person movies, and so that next time when he goes to the website, we suggest some movies for him because according to his personal taste. So let us say common movies is equals to movie underscore set 1 dot intersection. So here we are identifying the common movies between the two sets, or between the sets of his collection. Then we can suggest the movies for him on our website. Let us take a look also on the difference in the movies. So let's call it different underscore movies. So the difference in the movies, let's say set 1 movie underscore set 1 dot difference. The movies which are not found in set 1 which are in set 2, or the movies which are in set 2 which are not in set 1. So movie underscore set 2 here. Now also we want to combine all the movies that this person is having. Let's say all movies is equals to movie underscore set 1 dot union movie underscore set 2. Now what we can do now, we need to print. So print the common interest of the movies. Then here let's say comma and write our variable common underscore movies. And let us also print the different movies. So let's say the different movies. Let us put our variable different underscore movies. And lastly, let us print all movies. All movies of interest. All movies of interest. Here let us put our variable all movies. What we can do here, let us say interest 1 is equal to, let us put the list of the movies that we like. Let us do it here. Let us put a list of movies that we like. Let's say wuxia. Let us separate with a comma. It's a list of movies that we like. Let's say action, youth, let's say romance, and melodrama. Now on interest 2 equal to, let us create a list of interest 2 on drama. Here also we can even add let's say add martial arts. Martial arts. Right, on interest 2, let us add the movies. Let's say maybe you like superhero movies, and also you prefer martial art or martial arts. Here, let us say youth, and also you prefer thriller, and another collection of movies that you will prefer maybe suspense. And lastly, let us add the action movies. This is your collection of movies. Let us say movie underscore interest, our function. Now we are calling our function, then we are putting our interest as parameter. So interest 1, comma interest 2. Let us run our code. Movie underscore interest is not defined. Okay, so here there is an S, interest. Let us add an S. Okay, let us run our code. Right, as you can see now, after running our code, we can see common interest in movie is martial arts, youth, and action. Action here, martial arts, youth, and youth. These are the common interests. So if you're having a website or a certain program which actually focuses on the common interest of users so that you can find suggestion for those people, this is how you do it. You can use set concept to identify those common interests. Then the difference between these two elements, these two sets or these two interests, you can see it's romance, melodrama, and wuxia. But all movies combined, these are the movies that we are having. So this was a short Python script program which compares a person movie's interest, and it actually retains the similarities to the individual based on his movie collection. So we can even give the user a suggestion, some picks. We can pick something for him or for her so that she can choose some of the movies that she can watch based on the algorithm that we have created. I think this is all for this lecture. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.